My name is Joe Augustine. I'm the head coach of the University of Rhode Island ice hockey team. This is my 40th year coming up. Also played professionally 6 years. Been around the game a long time. Kent Orthopedics have been working with our program for almost 25 years now. Sometimes injuries don't start showing up until you get a little bit older, which happened to me a lot. Go in there and they patch me up, fix me up, and then I'm back out there running again. So I have all the trust in the world to go to them myself, and that's why I have no problem sending our student athletes there. A lot of times when younger guys get hurt, that may be one of the first injuries they've ever had. They tell them what's going to happen, this is what we're going to do, these are the stages, and I think that puts their mind at ease because it is a bit of a shock when someone gets hurt. The program is made up of the student athletes and coaches, trainers, administrators, medical preparation. Everybody contributes to the success of the program, and that's what we have here at the University of Rhode Island.